strict quality control measures, ensuring reliable and durable products.
Installation-service.
Our skilled technicians handle HVAC system installations with precision. Whether it's a residential, commercial, or industrial project, we ensure seamless installation and proper functioning. We consider factors such as space, load requirements, and energy efficiency during installation. Product range. Alajam offers a diverse product portfolio. Fixed-room airboxes, designed for specific room sizes and applications. Cool-warm tube products, efficient temperature regulation for comfort. Cooling room duct products, customizable ductwork for efficient cooling. Electric plate products, energy-efficient heating solutions. Wet products, humidity control and cooling. Heat-cool net weight room laminar flow chiller treatment units. Advanced medical and laboratory HVAC solutions. Quality assurance. We are committed to excellence and have received numerous quality certificates. Our ambition is to continually upgrade our products to meet evolving industry standards, strict quality control measures, ensuring reliable and durable products.
Installation-service.
Our skilled technicians handle HVAC system installations with precision.